Number 1. MG Midget. 1979 year of issue. This is a one-owner California car. Was purchased from an MG dealer in Southern California and moved to Santa Barbara in the 90 SS. And was stored for many years in all original condition and 47,400 miles. Exterior paint is original and has faded a bit, but still looks presentable. Interior all original. Nice seats. Dash has few cracks. It comes with both covers, one for cabin and one for convertible top. Drives well, shifts well. Brand new top, has no rust. Floorboards, trunk are all very solid. Nice tires, all lights work fine, windows go up and down. Recent services include new starter and new alternator, and has passed California's rigid smog inspection. Links to listings below. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvair Monza, 1965 year of issue. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible is selling at no reserve. It's powered by the optional 110 horsepower, air-cooled 164 TU.in.OHV flat 6. The engine is said to start and run well with no smoke. The powertrain also includes a Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission that shifts well. A transmission leak was repaired and there are no known current leaks. The transmission has a dash-mounted gear selector. According to the seller, the black paintwork is in very good overall condition. There are a few small paint chips and door dings. Some small bubbles behind the rear wheel openings suggest possible corrosion. The convertible top was reportedly replaced about 8 years ago. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. 1980 year of issue. Interior, excellent condition. Minor cracks in dash, Nardi wheel, wood shift knob, new windshield exterior. BBS wheels, Euro headlights, 3M tint. This is a very nice 450 SEL that always gets a lot of compliments, drives great. And with the 4.5 V8 and 4-wheel disc brakes is completely comfortable in modern traffic. It rides and handles very nice with the Bilstein shocks and H&R springs. The interior is in great shape and very comfortable, and the car is very reliable. Links to listings below. Number 4. Ford F100, 1968 year of issue. This F100 standard cab short bed was to be a sport truck for a guy that was interrupted by illness. The truck is disassembled but believed to be complete. The body and frame have been stripped of all components. An S&W race car's ladder bar rear suspension was in the process of being installed. The rear upper strut mounts are not installed and will need to be prior to moving the truck. The bed has been cut and modified with new wider wheel wells and raised center bed section for third member clearance. The original driveshaft is included. It is not known if it will require modification. The cab has been stripped. All glass is removed as well as all handles and window regulators so that it is ready for bodywork and paint. New window rubbers are included as well as door seals. The cab has a new AC 4-port bulkhead fitting installed in the firewall. There is also a box of AC fittings that are included. A new chrome steering column is included along with new armrests. There are also new seat belts. Among the parts are new cab mounts. A pedal kit is also included. The 351 engine comes with a new Edelbrock carburetor and chrome air cleaner. Shorty headers are included that have the chrome ceramic high-temp coating. Included are chrome belt pulleys, power steering pump and brackets, power brake booster, master cylinder, and 2 new brake calipers. A brand new large aluminum radiator with 2 electric fans, shroud, radiator cap, and relay kit are included. Stainless steel brake lines are also included. Links to listings below. Number 5. Cadillac 62, 1941 year of issue. My 1941 Cadillac Series 6219 has been in my possession for 8 years. The car had some updating prior to my ownership. It is converted to a 12-volt negative ground electrical system with a new electrical harness installed. It still needed some refurbishing. The photo of the car under the carport is what it looked like before I started disassembly and rebuilding the project. I have rebuilt the brakes, replaced the emergency brake cable, had the radiator boiled out and repaired both under the seat heaters. I removed the engine and had it overhauled with new pistons / rings / timing gear and chain along with all new bearings. The camshaft was also rebuilt. I've had a lot of chrome replated, such as the grille, front bumper, most window garnishes, and more small items. It also has a pair of finder skirts. The body is my holdup on repainting and reassembling the project. As you can see in the photos, there is bodywork needed before painting can be done. It also needs new rubber as it is repainted, and at last, a new interior. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription.